Hello community managers, I'm Jacob from Socialbakers, and today I'm here to give you the tips you need to up your social media game. A strong community becomes a place where customers interact not just with your brand, but with each other. This works as free word-of-mouth advertising and a great source of positive and authentic reviews. Having a killer community management strategy is what sets apart good brands and great brands. But with multiple platforms to manage, community management becomes a tricky beast. So let's get into some tips. I can't stress this enough. Plan ahead. You should be planning weeks, if not months in advance. You'll have better, more cohesive campaigns, and you'll have time to readjust if you need to. This is also good protection against content droughts and generally keeps the flow of your content consistent. Here, you'll want to invest in a good content calendar and set up approval flows. They'll reduce your risk of mistakes and give you a clear overview of your team's responsibilities. You can give ours a try for free. Just click on the link below. Number 2, cultivate your brand's personality. Just because you're representing a brand on social media doesn't mean you should be boring. Just the opposite. You can be warm and bubbly, or throw in a sassy edge, but whatever you do, create a memorable and consistent brand personality that stands out from the crowd. Your audience will love interacting with you on social. One really authentic example of community management comes from Netflix. Check out this tweet. Everyone who normally helps run this page is watching the sports, and they told me to handle it. So I'm just gonna post animal gifs from #OurPlanet all night. Disclaimer though, sassiness may not work for all brands, so be sure to follow your brand guidelines so you know exactly what's acceptable. Number 3, track the metrics that are important to you. As a social media community manager, the metrics that define your success might be a little bit different from other parts of the business, and that's okay. You'll be focusing on things like account growth, interactions, response and resolution time to customer queries, and customer satisfaction. Tracking these metrics will help you determine how well your team is performing and will allow you to easily see where you can improve. Number 4, use the data you're collecting. As a community manager, you're in closer contact with your audience than anyone else. You'll see how they respond to your content, what drives engagement, what does not, all on a daily basis. You'll also know all of their issues and questions inside and out. These are invaluable insights for your business, allowing you to improve satisfaction and deal with customer pain points before they reach a boiling point. 5, feature user-generated content. People don't trust companies, but they do trust other people's experiences with companies. User-generated content is a great way to showcase your customers' experiences with your product in a natural and authentic way. And the best part about it is it won't cost you a thing. User-generated content can be anything as small as people mentioning your brand in tweets or writing reviews. But there are other great ways to include your audience's voice, from guest blogs to marketing campaigns that include user-generated content. You don't have to look far for a brand that slays the user-generated content game. Just check out GoPro. Through their diverse range of cameras, everyday users are able to share their experiences with their networks, from 360-degree photos to live videos. I hope you've enjoyed these quick social media management tips. If you want more, you can follow the link below for even more on the subject. If you have any great tips, leave us a comment below and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button while you're at it. And don't forget to take advantage of our free trial for everything you need to handle community management like a pro.